Alright, so we're doing a service due reset on a BMW X6 year 2024. We're gonna start by hitting the start stop button 3 times in a row. So once you hit the start stop button, the diagnostic screen comes up. So wait for the screen to settle off. Ensure that it's the diagnostic mode. Once it's the diagnostic mode, then you move to the left side. Locate the BC button. You're gonna press the BC button for 15 seconds. So once you press it, you can start to count to 15. Let go. So once you reach 15 seconds, you let go the BC button. On the dashboard, you'll see engine oil. So once you see that, you press the BC button again for like 3 seconds. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. So once you release the BC button, you'll get that reset with a question mark. Then press the BC button again for like 3 seconds, then I let go. So you'll see engine oil reset successful. You can go ahead and start the vehicle and see what comes up in the dashboard. Alright, good to go. Thanks for watching.